It salute una for outside the country people them. We glad for meet up una for inside the Tori house. Story for this afternoon. We go take una go for place where they call am say Minkwa Mayos. Now for Yawinde 7. Where they don't catch some active people them. Where they be go attack for some house. We go talk to Tori this afternoon. Chapter for Waka for Vex. We teacher them for university them. They be call am on Thursday. And we go take una to turn back for on top this matter wey happen for inside Boya and Sabi Seb say plenty people them they don't talk. We get artists them like Salatiel, Valsero and Honorable Noran 14 plus Tibonach. We all them they don't talk on top this shooting for this 5-year-old Pekin. And we go finish story with with newspaper them too. They talk this afternoon. Big people them talk. Editor we say if dog a thief for marketplace. Now so for the marketplace, they go beat the dog, kill him. If dog it is for marketplace, now for marketplace SF, where they go kill the dog. Big people them talk, it come out for Oga Ajang Divine, where it dey for Douala for subdivision. Now for Bonaberry, we return back some more time country people them. Plenty salutes, country people them for Inside Tori for this afternoon. Now the last one days for the week and Inside Tori for this afternoon. Also talk for now, better work with gendarme people them for side for Minko Mayos for Yawinde 7. They don't do we go take una one time. We enter for this action. We happen for side for Yawinde 7. Quarter way they call them say Minko Mayos. Yes, that one different elements. So the showy different elements. No, that the one that we want. We the talk na gendarme people them. We get number 1. We na gendarme people them say way they don't do work. Yes. Now the immediate for the gendarme people or the motto where they so gendarme people they be get for even do it in get for fights with the thief people. Them now bullet way touch. They say they be enter for this quarter for Minko Mayos for inside Yawinde 7 for tip for day. Now for the way population too, he called gendarme people them one time as well the land shooting. Gendarme he catch so take 2 of these people them and 1 person they way they so it is also wrong way gendarme they find them. Now so they take them, they shoot some of them as way Tori he enter for inside we ear and Sabi the gendarme people that they talk say if no na for sick as a population he be call them quick then them too as we Tori the enter for we ear they no for fit for even continue for do the work where they do am so that the talk say make population it continue for the look at them and when they get some kind of problem make them kunkuma talk so that it dey so way even people them where they talk say gendarme they fit come out for do their work in the normal as so Sabi on top this matter so gendarme they don't talk thank you plenty for the population we one time where they be discover the thief people them now so to one time they call the population they call gendarme and gendarme to enter do the work so they don't catch them they for back counter just now as we at Tori it enter for inside we here now just for Sabi say apart from catch where they catch these people them gendarme people then too they be catch something them we get gun we get even laptop and other thing the way they so these gendarme people they be take them from these people them as we Tori enter for inside we here on top the matter and we go to surely turn for see Sophie the show now that element the element we concern this gendarme people them the two way the gendarme people then catch them from this group of boys them where they so they catch where they don't go thief for inside quarter where they call them Minko Mayos for Yawinde 7 and so talk we get gun we get even laptop and other thing the way the gendarme people then say they be catch them from them as we Tori enter for inside we here country people them and just now so the talk on top the matter plenty thing the day we gendarme they catch them so the people them they dey for back counter now we take on go for Limbe and for Limbe side country people them na fire way it throw away and fire way burn for side for a Limbe now for Buta as we Tori enter for inside we here with this fire SSF as we here a cash for some place where they call them say Buta and place where they don't keep some Zwazwa now place where people they hide their Zwazwa then people they come buy them from them as we Tori we and how way the fire it take cash nothing that way people them they never sabi just now but as so the fire start catch, uniform people they become, they no be fit for do no nothing. Army rescue for Limbe City Council, now we come for can see whether it fit for lost firebed population. They talk say when these people they do the kind of thing them, where they sabi say they keep fuel for some sites, them too they get for sabi as well they look at them, for sika say na for sika the kind of way where they keep that fuel, now they think that wey e make am before e dey so this fire e catch for now. They never sabi wetin wey really provoke that fire, but the story building wey this zwazwa be dey for inside and all thing as wey tori enter for we ear e burn and people dem dey cry. No person no die, no person no get caught as wey tori enter for inside we ear country people dem. We go come up for this fire for inside Bota for Limbe. We go talk on top this other case for some small pikin, innocent pikin, wey since they don't chain food. Now for that side, so for West region, and they talk say this pikin as so e dey so, they chain food for sika say e dey so. Papa e no get, and we hear say na some person wey dey so e be chop soya for this pikin by force. The time wey e dey so, they go check this pikin for hospital skin. Now for the way they can discover say dey so the pikin e don get that sick wey dem call am say HIV. Country people dem na way dey so population to just now the mommy e dey try for agbe we dey hear say na the mommy for the pikin sesep wey e abandon the pikin for back as we tori enter for we here, and with the here they find the mommy just now for side so where they call am say Chang for West region. Pikin be don already start for go school, but one time the classmate them they know they see their combi for school. Now for the way they start for fine, where they know sabi say this so for sick say this pikin be get small sick for his skin. He don't make away no the fee for come school all time and way mommy he don't abandon them. So we go surely turn back for that story in the proper on Monday when we turn back for inside Tori House country people them. And sabi say for the number 14 day for inside this moon wey be dinner on Thursday, we get people them for teacher them, we get lecturers them for higher education like the one them for university where they decide for no work for sika say e dey so they vex after we they make open eye for one of them combi where they call him Dr. Fridolin Nke. Sabi say sines for inside the whole university them from Yaoundé. They be talk say they go sit down for one day, and that one day now for main governor is sabi say they must to give respect for teacher them, particular the one them say where they teach picking them for inside university. So this teacher them just like the one for outside, the one for Douala they no be teach them on Thursday. Now in way they did respect the order where he come out for side for Yaoundé on top this matter where they did cry say no, say they must to continue for the respect teacher them for inside the whole country. We go come on one time, we talk this accident wey happen for place where they call am say Awai na village outside Yaoundé. Country people them where it take 4 people them head, e go with am. We the hear say this accident happen where the 4 people they just come out for drink mimbo for some place for inside Hawaii. Then they be the drive motor for come Yaoundé. They no sabi say this ngongo the way turn up, so it be there for them before we don't turn up. You know the go. Now where the motor says he waka, he can jump for that bangongo road. Now we wanna see am say all that place is chakara. So it means say all the 4 people them where they be there inside that motor where it be the come Yaoundé. Sabi say the road na road so they go Betua. It be the come Yaoundé. All them so then die as we tori enter for inside we hear country people them, and as so we talk for now just now they die body them all one day where they no be even fit for comot they don't carry them or go leave them for inside co-house for Yaoundé hospital as we tori enter for inside we hear. And the army rescue people there where they be go struggle for work. Now they bottle that una fit see say they be get bottle for mimbo for under them foot inside motor where they did drink, and they don't ever tell we plenty time say when you did drink make you no drive, and when you don't over drink better leave you drive the next day. Bet the people they drink and they even carry bottle for mimbo inside motor, then they drive, they no even sabi say ngongoro don't stop for them before they go enter for under the ngongoro. So 4 people them they die for on top we road on Thursday night breaking Friday as we tori enter for we ear. We go enter one time for this other one. Now for this matter, for this pikin where they shoot am for site so for Buea. As on as Sabi, it be pass on Thursday for inside Buea for place where they call am say Co-Cathedral site. Now the road where they go for former Prime Minister house, Peter Mafane Mosongai village. Now for that side, so where this what thing be happen, where population sesep it no be fit for look at the thing. As we pikin, it be the go school for morning time after. We gendarme people them break motor, the motor deny for stop. Now for the way one of the gendarme he shoot him, but as we shoot bullet, he chakara na back the motor. He meet up this small pikin where they call it say Caro, where he be the go school and the pikin innocent as he die for some kind of work condition. One of the people that we did there, now the driver them for this driver for president for driver them for inside Buea. Way to talk for the microphone for Derek Jato.
They come Bukuva, they be posted for Bukuva. They come control the central market. They don't stand him and the pass with picking the go school. They stop me eating go school. They follow the character of the cathedral. Don't must stop. You can have to go to the one that is go to school. You're going to pick around it. As it talk, you want to give motor that and shoot up your gun. Shoot up your gun for 500 pounds.
And just for Sabi country people them on top this matter, the motor where this pikin be there inside, now that una fit say the bullet chakara or the back glass or the motor, and inside the motor, now for they say we will see mommy they put hands so for up, when now for they we pikin, where they call am say Caro, ebi she done, and as so the pikin ebi she done for the country people them, if it in bottle, ebi dey. Now the place where they don't put the water, where it be get for take am go school. Now they feed him bottle that where it be there, it be show say there be plenty of them inside the motor, and for front the motor we be get even the school bag them for the people there they be there inside the motor where they shoot them. So the condition for the motor says help, it go tell una say true the bullet it no be there now for less the tire for motor, but it be the surely target some person under that small pikin innocent as we dey. It dies on Kana will die for inside Buea. Make we wait to one barrister. He talk for we for that matter.
Content and I'll be there for the scene. How anything will happen, it actually happened from before. Be unfortunate, say when we talk about justice for time where sometimes the person will commit the act now already to die. So this one therefore go to officials and so waiting it be right and for make sure say the right training be done to gendarme. I mean the action the way gendarme they carry out for town here be sometimes them insane because we get for no say all human beings are half human half beast. Now see the way where the action don't radicalize the kingdom. All the action them when police know they out now for security and for trade they call and say civilian protection. When police they out and they radicalize beginning they move the beef way they for inside beginning. And they think this way for a time where they try to get peace for the country. We don't need such neglect from either police officials or from gendarmerie.
Yes, barrister we says the way you see us where the thing happen, and one of the people them country people after the thing happen, we sabi say the population for Buea it be vex. 1 minute where the thing happen, the news enter for all people them here. Population be come off for road, the block road. We tire and people them be netting them. I could try to see that other image too. Where it is so this population for Buea. It be vex, then it throw it tire them. Yes, now tire them that way. It surely come out for mechanic place and even people them be netting where they use and block roads. They say better made motor, you know work again. Now for around checkpoint where all the ones will be the happen after they shoot that picking so they don't be one time say make any man a worker even taxi them said they be even stop for the worker as we at Tori enter for we here. So even woman them they be come up for block roads as soon as see only for Sikavex for thing way happen for inside Buea. One of the people them way be follow these people them vex now the bishop for inside Buea diocese, Bishop Emmanuel Bishop Michael Bibi, yes, Bishop Michael Bibi, we is it so it be see what to happen. e happen na just for opposite Co-Cathedral side, na place where e dey so Catholic Church dey struggle for build their own big church for that side. So Bishop Tumi dey there and e try for beg with the population for say make dem no overlap and say make vex. E take dem, but make dem try for see as wey dem go bring peace inside the matter. Sabi sef say after the two wey happen, after wey dem knack even the gendarme so tey e die, country people dem dem be catch some driver dem dey go lock am, but Bishop Michael Bibi e be take time for go for police station for talk say make dem left all that driver dem wey dey catch dem. So Bishop too e be dey with him own eye, no be na say I hear say e see all thing as wey e pass for road wey e dey go for the Co-Cathedral site for inside Boya. Bishop Michael Bibi e talk to for a microphone.
And I think none of we for here, no man will encourage me this kind of thing happen. And we don't hear, as a worker, I don't hear they play the talk when I don't talk, especially about the control they around for market here. And I remember say the people that when they there, when they be in charge, they will take the information from the big people then so that the control they there, then they open gun, then go be able to talk with them and take the people out. So that more no get this situation may happen for here. Yeah. So which way don't happen, it don't happen. But now so we will find say that we begin and we got away the non die, made them carry and go for mortuary. Yeah. So that make we all, even though it depends what we had, but maybe all we try for calm down because if person don't die, we get a duty for make them say make that person too his body stay fine. So I want to beg when I say make when I leave with brother then let them go try to carry the corpse to go keep and fine. I don't hear no. Okay, all right.
Let me then move that people there for here. Yes, we then move that people there for here. We then move that people there for here.
It's Bishop Michael Bibi wey dey talk for we for there, and Sabi say after the two happen, Bishop to be take time, he writes concerning way to see, and the three things that will pick him out. Number one, he talk say the pikin be the go school, Caro. Then they stop moto deny for stop, gendarme open gun, he shoot am. After population 2 verse, he na gendarme so take gendarme he die. Then from there, disorder for inside town with population verse, but Sabi say last yesterday na wey they bury Caro as we Bishop Michael Bibi big letter he talk for we. So now just some of the things them that we dey for this letter wey Michael Bibi come out am wey he talk all to happen, but Sabi they don't continue for talk say na innocent people that dey die every day. Time e don reach for say main government say be she done with the real people them for talk so that peace e go enter inside southwest and northwest region where they suffer for almost 5 years just now. And Sabi Seb say this so governor for southwest region they call it Bernard Okalia Bilai too. He no be get am easy from population on Thursday. Governor he talk for population say the surprise say this so na pikin wey don beg say make dem send pikin dem for school when a uniform man he dey take gun he shoot the pikin. Governor talk say even if the person dey na which kind of level for inside uniform work, Kasingo he go meet up he and na serious one, no be na one way they go talk say he be big man, they no go do so, and he promise the population say they go follow up for say make all thing happen fine, say make they should don peace. And na so to governor he talk say make the population no gree some other people them they enter for inside the matter, they start use am again for make and say make peace wey they don't start enjoy am small for Boya, it can be not some other way. So governor be beg say make he follow them, he go left the pikin for mortuary, but last the population deny. Talk say no, they no want governor, say they don't hear, they only can present and wait way he own uniform people them, they don't do one for this innocent pikin. But governor, he begs say make the population in over vex, say they go continue from side way the population he be get for do something, so they go punish all man where he get hand for this pikin. Make we take una give na small the ambience wey be for governor office. Yes, the population for inside Boya. And Sabi say the thing, it no be end now only for town. Make we show now the atmosphere to be there for Munya, now for Southwest. Una see say population too for Munya where the thing happen for Faraway town. Population too come up for Munya, the block road. We hear say since yesterday, even today, moto dem dey no dey fit for comot Kumba go Boya, and we hear say they be blocked too from Mile 17 where dey show say moto dem no be the cross camp for Douala yesterday as we tori enter for we hear. So for Munya side too, the population e be dey plenty according to wetin una dey see for na for tele. Na for tell we say the population for Southwest in general, whether na who or dem be comot for talk say no for that small pikin wey dey kill am on a Thursday wey they say na by mistake as we at tori enter for inside we here now. Make we see this pikin. Now the pikin that make we try for read the two a day from top. E dey for Queen Elisa Country Talk. Una dey see say the pikin name na Caro, and they call this pikin name Caro na after way their mommy together name Caro, so that their mommy e go can she done with them for Boya and forever we no go back for village. But now na mommy Caro e don put small Caro back for grave. Yes, now the thing that they write, and so the pikin name where they call am Caro, e no become anyhow. Now the mommy, the grandmammy we make away they call the pikin name say Caro, but just now the mommy we come for can she done with the grand pikin, e no instead come bury pikin, na bury am as we that photo the talk. So now really thing wey happen inside this matter country people them. Now so the thing dey, and Sabi say ngom na too don talk man for Ministry for Defence Cyril Serge Atomfag. He too don talk his own concerning this matter for this small pikin wey dey kill am. According to way he talk, we no dey read all the book, but we dey pick out one thing them. Number one, he talk say the motor e be carry pikin them, true. They be one go leave that pikin them for school, true. They stop the motor, say make the motor e stand up, make they check it. The driver talk say no, say e dey over late, say make e dey go. So now for the way they so as we go where they no tell him say make e go. Another group for gendarme, he follow the motor, so take for side way Dako Cathedral side. Now for the way the vex, it happen where the gendarme man he shoot. Say they be the suspect, say they want check the motor for check say all thing they fine. Now for the way the gendarme man he shoot, then that pikin he die. So Cyril Serge Atomfag the talk say Minister for Defence, he talk he Asia for the family people them, but they go continue for do investigate. Nothing that way Cyril Serge Atomfag talk man for Ministry for Defence, he talk concerning this matter for inside place where they call am say Boya. Now people that don't talk plenty, people that did show their sorry heart to. One of the people them we get Salatiel, where he been a Mutumbu man. Salatiel he cry plenty, say innocent angel Kimura, he don't go, he blood, now he don't carry all the shame go. We get General Vasero, where they talk so who side the love day, where they also kill people them. That one too from General Vasero way too, he been a Mutumbu man. We get even person where they call him say Honorable Noran Fortsin, where he says be right on top this matter. All thing he be standing up for some side. Now he don't also continue. Who side Cameroon they go? Time for peace. He said he hear back for a heart after the two happen for this pikin. And another person we talk, Tibonash Jr., he own as we write am for we country people them. According to way Tibonash, he come out make we try for look the last reaction we come out from Tibonash country people them for tell una. They ask am say any person if he doubt say na poor pikin where they kill am for Cameroon and for circa 500 francs where they be get for give am for road. They say any person wey he don't pass a road and for Cameroon, he must ever get this problem, and that one he no go stop. Tibonash is in a big shame, and now for the way corruption CCB they happen inside Cameroon, according to way we talk for a post. So now the thing them that different reaction on top people them inside this matter for die. Just now make we try for Tekuna, we show now the town for Munya. So here. The live image I will get them from Munya this afternoon. When I see them say motor them, they don't even start for Waka. Now the place where they be block road yesterday. Munya town, it don't wake up some more this afternoon. So on a say things them, they don't return back to normal for Munya after the hot way be passed for Munya side. On a Thursday, country people them. So now just imagine that will get them from Munya just now. We will show them. Make we continue just now for different matter and for different side. For Sabi say this matter for Cameroon. No be now only Tori House and for Cameroon they talk this one na Tori House wey dey for that side. So for Nigeria, African Independent Television, them too they talk on top the matter. They say problem inside Cameroon, people they come out outside plenty after we were picking for 5 years, they shoot it so they die. Now it make a population come out, so even AIT when Nigerian television they talk and even other Tori House for outside country, they don't talk this matter where they talk say true, no be a better way at all country people them. We left that side, we enter just now for inside the Corona. As so they come out, latest update for Corona this afternoon when Friday they tell we say for this number 15 day for October 240,415,089 people that don't catch Corona for the whole world. 217,713,673 people that don't well since we Corona is a calm, and 4,897,679 people that already die for sick of this matter for Corona. As we worldometer e give we this number 15 day for October country people them. Now for inside Cameroon, we sabi say governor for East region SSF governor be don't talk country people them say it dey so all people them they must to get their Corona paper say they don't choose Corona so before they go enter. So governor says if he go tonton Gregoire Mbongo to go, he go tonton for try for see say all tiwe don't talk na tiwe happen, and sabi say some places them the day we governor be tonton like a place like Betua 2 council where you go notice and say for day plenty of the work people them they never took their injection, and some they be the only took them after we governor he don't talk. So all people there they work for governor workplace for that side. So for Betua side, all man he don't took injection and he come with a card for side for Logon as so here for Betua 2 on the same. Now for the way governor says it be get plenty problem for sick say work people them they never chook and but they don't talk. All man must to chook injection before he enter for any government workplace as so I don't see them now. For Ivory Coast the update to get them for Ivory Coast the tell we say now 40 people them with the catch Corona on a Thursday. 88 people them well, one person he died. 1,050 people they on top sick bed with Corona for Ivory Coast now. 60,942 people they don't get Corona since we enter Ivory Coast. 59,209 people they don't well, and 673 people that already die for Sika Corona inside Ivory Coast since we enter for day. Corona na real. Newspaper also see what will happen inside the newspaper. Then we go take one strong number then for day, and you go read story for this Corona vaccine where even Secretary General Ferdinand Gongo he don't talk say work people them for presidency where they no to come, they no go enter for them office. Bello farmer them too they don't get small thing them for continue for do them work. You go read that chapter. And Southwest Regional Assembly for Horizon inside another newspaper, the Guardian Post where they outside. Guardian Post it talk for we this afternoon country people them concerning this die wey happen for inside Boya where they talk say Boya population be come out after where they kill some pikin or man be come out for outside. You go read to Tori where consign police where they don't present some people there they catch them where it dey for inside the Guardian Post, and other Tori them we wanna feel read them inside Guardian Post this afternoon. And the Voice Weekend it talk for we say some gendarme with longer throat he don't shoot some pikin for Boya. Population for Boya be wake up. Now the strong number them that for the Voice Weekend plus other to read on a few read them. And the Post Weekender where it talk for with this afternoon country people them as we moja and some gendarme people they knock some woman where it with the 8-month belly. On top that one they also put it for back counter. Secretary General for inside presidency for Southwest for this African Nations Cup matter. You feel read them for inside the Post Weekend and other to read them. We wanna feel read for the newspaper them where they outside this afternoon. Now so we see country people them for this Friday afternoon for inside Equinox Story House. Plenty thank you for Jeff we put camera for my before. For backside we get Jonathan, we get Ledu Pone, we get even Malice and Manadin where they join hand for Seme Tori Waka Fine. PG News Debate Saturday 12:30 1:30 we return back for some of the main Tori them. Una hold am tight. So till tomorrow.